What?
Go.
Megan, remember when you went out with Dan? And now he's flirting with Brooke? Does that make you feel awkward? How do you feel about that?
In India.
Yes, you asked her out the other night.
Really?
Yes.
Over the phone?
No, through text messages.
Oh, wow, what a man! Through text messages.
That's the whole point.
What do you mean that's the whole point?
He's not a man. That's the whole point. He's a little boy.
Then why'd you go out with him? I mean, he was a mall cop. His career is a dead end.
That's my
You
shit.
tell him that. And see how that goes. I dare you to tell him that next time you talk to him. You're in a dead-end job.
Accuse him of being a mall cop?
Say something
No, he has a
funny.
dead-end
Hurry
job.
up.
He never
Oh,
gets into
shoot.
it.
Yeah, but you know what? Who the heck doesn't have a dead end job? Where we have this going, really? You know what I mean? It's like,
mind? Metro PCS, that's probably the worst carrier.
Actually, I get service everywhere. Thank you very much.